Finally, Patrick, we're here for another Perijove or another PJ report coming from Jupiter. So what's
Yes.
been happening out there at Jupiter?
Okay. Well, I don't have my PJs on, but I'll tell you about the Perijove.
One of these
Um,
days, in fact, audience, tweet at us the PJs that you think Patrick should wear at our next All Space Considered. Tweet the picture, then we'll, I don't know. We probably can't convince him. It'll end up being me that has to wear them. I know how this works.
or,
Anyway,
or, or
take it,
maybe someone on our team could be
or
creative.
maybe Tony, seeing that he's the next. Anyway,
Anyway, on to so PJ. So PJ is in short stands for Perijove, which is the NASA spacecraft Juno has made its furtive close pass at the planet Jupiter. And we're going to show you just some amazing pictures that it's shot when it flew over the North Pole of Jupiter, starting with this one. Here we're looking down at close to the polar region of Jupiter, which it's kind of color enhanced picture, which shows you the clouds are kind of bluish in this area. And as Juno went further around Jupiter, we begin to see some of these really ripply structures known as folded filamentary regions. We can take a closer look at the next image, which just shows you how intricate these clouds are. And they're kind of like almost like cloud ribbons, as we see here. In the next image, this is a very interesting one. The images that we see are really color enhanced, but this particular image is made in true color. So if you were to look at Jupiter with your eyes from the vantage point of Juno, you would just see that basically Jupiter is kind of like a peach type color. So what happens if you color enhance this picture? You begin to see some really interesting detail. There are two storms and they're counter rotating in opposite directions and drawing some clouds in between. So here's an even super color enhanced image just to show you the kind of circulation that's going on. Our next image is kind of interesting. If you imagine looking at the Grand Canyon, imagine a cloud canyon on Jupiter. This is what you see. So there is a way to actually look at this in 3D. If you close one of your eyes and look at this image, you can see that the walls of the canyon, which is that kind of orange boundary there, are the cliffs, and then the entire canyon is down below. And I've kind of done this, and it really does bring out some of the three-dimensionality of Jupiter. So these are just a snippet of the few of the images that Juno has taken, and people actually have gone in and color enhanced these images to bring out some of the detail so that scientists can learn some of the features of Jupiter's atmosphere.